All right, y'all. V is in the building. Vita 2 Woman Taylor is in here, and she about to test some stuff up. You know how she do.
We about to
V
get right
fashion, you dig?
All right, here is
You know she tears stuff up.
take this drywall, okay?
Is that right?
And what you do is we got a whole kit because you gotta have a kit, you know what I mean? And you gonna put this thing right here on top of it to patch up the hole.
Is that right?
And then once you put it on there, you put your spackling on there. And then you take and you sand it so that it's cool and it's smooth. And then you can paint over it and it's like it's brand new.
Is that what you finna
That's
do?
what we about to do.
You finna take care of it, huh?
That's what we about to do.
We might have to get them caps though.
What was wrong with the orange caps?
They didn't fit. So we might have to get them.
So Alfred had one job, y'all, and that was to think about the things that we need. So now we wasting more time.
Hold on, child. Who you getting crunk with? Me?
I mean, in the middle, let's just tape something off or do something.
Alright, this child right here, she can't sit still. She got a problem. I think my wife got ADD. I can't tell you what it is, but she gonna drive your boy crazy. Sit up here, and she always fussing and complaining about something.
Look,
Do you hear me?
We need to paint and get this thing done. I'm ready to get it done. Get
All right.
it done is what I'm ready to do. You feel me? Damn, what happened?
Show me what you got. You got
A spackle.
that's what you about to do. We might not need to. I think it's taped off. You want to FaceTime your daddy and see?
Yeah, you can.
God, you don't want to do nothing. Look, y'all. She tearing it up. This child is tearing up the house, y'all. She tearing it up.
Alright.
What's up, Miss Miller? Your daughter is tearing our house up. Unscrewing the rails. You gonna see it. I'm telling you. I'm gonna post it on the vlog. She tearing it up. She's taking the railing off the wall. I ain't seen this before.
Hi guys, so we underestimated with painting, with this, how long it was gonna take us. Our lovely home, it's not huge, but I guess it's a nice size. Obviously now with us painting, it makes me realize how how I don't even want to say large because I don't think our house is large, but I guess it's big. And it's a lot of work. We also have this beautiful crown molding in the living room and in the dining room, and then this half wall with molding. And it looks beautiful, gorgeous, and everyone dies for crown molding. Like, it's a thing and it's beautiful. But when you gotta paint it, and you gotta reach and be doing stuff. My arm hurt so bad. My hands hurt. The stairs got white parts on it that we had to get. It was just a mess. So we spent, how many hours? 6, 7?
It was from 9 to 3.
9 p.m. to 3 a.m. And that don't even include the prep. We started prep earlier. Like prep with putting the drop cloths down, taping. That I think we started at 7 or 6, and then my brother came by at 9 and we started painting. Y'all, it's a lot of work. We spend that 9 to 3 really painting, and then you add the 2 or 3 hours of prep, and it was a full day, and we didn't expect that. So today we are back at Home Depot to pick up some ceiling paint, because we realized we actually need to go ahead and do that. And then what else we getting?
We will probably pick up a hose since we out here.
And what else? More brushes.
Oh yeah.
I want to get a small brush because like
touch
our door,
areas.
touch up small areas, and you know, now we just trying to finesse. We gonna finally get rid of that blue today, and we gonna knock this thing out. We in it now. We doing the damn thing. So we gotta finish it. But I'm tired. Anthony tired, my brother, and this one here is tired too. We tired, but we gonna make this happen.
What's up, y'all? We about to get started. Before we get started, we about to eat. Look at V ripping her box open.
No, these some big.
We got Aunt here today. T-Bone was
They named me T-Bone, so it'll leave me alone.
That's right.
T-Bone was pain last night. He got his gym workout.
Shoot, I ain't gotta go to the gym for a couple times.
Yeah, he been out the gym.
Just the shoulders. The shoulders. I done doing them.
We went and got Holla and Dash. Just a little spot for good chicken biscuits and the ATL. What you get? What's that? Holla chicken, holla back,
Holla Dash.
holla.
It's some
back.
chicken with some hot.
Kickback or something.
You better make sure you got the right one that got your name on there.
Yeah.
Cause I got
They put your
I got
name
the hot one. Mine was hot though, so you want to be careful.
I
I ain't get no tater tots though. Oh,
Yes, you
yes they did. Where them beignets at?
Right there.
Cause one of them is super hot. They should have told you which one is which.
This don't look like it's hot.
Okay, if it don't look hot, then
You know, when stuff looks spicy, it look red and shit. Well, actually,
Just taste a piece of y'all corn. That smell hot.
and then I'm gonna have to show y'all these beignets that we got up on. We got up on these in Cafe Du Monde in New Orleans. But these beignets right here, though, these beignets right here, ooh. And then I got the chocolate sauce. Bam, just like that. We'll holler back and let y'all see what the end result is. Look, it seemed like we're gonna have a little bit of time to put in because it took way longer than we thought yesterday. But as soon as we get done with the end product, we're gonna definitely show y'all. Just like that, y'all. Hit an update with the houses looking like so far. It went from that blue, that ugly blue. Now it's like white with a black accent wall, dividing the dining room from the living room. And so we don't really like that blue. Now the blue is gone, so however, we ain't get no primer, so it kind of drug everything out. So word to the wise, whenever you paint over a dark color, it don't matter. Get a primer. Because even the black had a hard time going over that blue. So just make sure that y'all get a primer, man. It's valuable. Because you end up having to put like 3 coats in this one room as opposed to putting 1 coat with the primer. And we got a high quality paint, so it was supposed to take 1 coat, but it didn't. So anyway, though, we'll holler at y'all. It's the end of the vlog. Stay tuned to next week, and so y'all see what the entire house look like, but I think it's gonna stop here. It was like 6 hours to do the baseboards. Ant helped out. You can see Ant. Hey, everybody else around here is like vertically challenged, so he ended up having to do like the harder portions, which was like getting up and getting up where the borders and stuff are near the ceiling, so he had to do all of that. And it was definitely a project. Wasn't as easy as we thought it was gonna be. But anyway, though, we'll holler at y'all. Stay tuned for the next one.
We patched up the hole where the